Yeah. मुश्किल है बोरी मार बोरी मार How is that possible? These people careless maybe. Assalamu alaikum, boss. Boss, we see this side here. Look this one. Between this hole and this. Here, too much gap here. You see here? Too much thick. Eh? This is the old one. Too much thick. But check this one here. This is the problem. My video no good. You see here? This hole here. They make it from workshop. I don't know who make this one. You see here? There is hole here. And then here also there is hole. All of them crack. You see? One here crack. One here crack. Also here crack. All of them, most of them crack. That's the problem, you know. You see it here? Not thick. But here, you see from here to here is very thick. You see it, no crack. But here, there is no gap here, no space. It's crack, crack, crack. And then here broken. That's the main problem, you know. Here also crack. Most of them crack. Because the gap is too close. You see it here? The gap is too close. No half gap here. You see it here? This one, upside, crack. Downside, crack. Other side, other side. Come other side, other side. You see this one here breaking. This one here also. Most of them crack. Crack. This one here, crack. This one also upside crack. Crack. This one you see, upside, downside, crack. Downside, upside, crack.
Crack.
Most of them, yeah, crack. This one, I think the original one is a small boat. Next time, if you want to use this one, you have to get the same thread, but small head. Small head, this one here. Small head. Or, after maybe we can fill here. Put maybe some knots here and then fill here. So, now this one here is damaged.